Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering all the essential account details before you call Pldt. Have your Pldt account number and the complete service address ready to report. Write down the modem MAC address and the last 4 digits of the billing account. Record the exact outage time and describe the symptoms you see or hear. Also note recent changes like new wiring, strikes, or power outages that matter. This preparation speeds verification and helps the agent open a correct ticket. Contact Pldt by dialing 171 from a Philippine landline or mobile phone. Alternatively, open the My Pldt app and choose Report a Problem to start a ticket. Provide your account number, modem MAC, and a concise description of the fault. Mention the outage start time and any troubleshooting steps you already performed. Request the ticket number, the estimated arrival window, and the assigned technician name. Save screenshots or note the confirmation message for future reference and follow-up. When the technician arrives, confirm the ticket number and the technician identity. Allow them to inspect wiring, modem, and connection points while you observe closely. Take clear photos of faults and any replaced parts for your records and proof. Sign the job order only after the issue is resolved to your satisfaction and condition. Keep the receipt or work order and note any fees or parts replaced on it. If the problem persists, call back with the ticket number and ask to escalate to a supervisor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.